We begin in Washington County as 3 murder suspects face a judge in separate cases. Good evening, I'm Julie Cornell.
I'm Rob McCartney. Deputies say it's unprecedented to have cases of this magnitude all in court at once.
KETV News Watch 7's Sarah Feely is live with our big story.
These cases were heard back to back, the defense asking prosecutors to further outline their charges against their clients. But getting 3 men accused of dangerous and, in one case, heinous crimes into a courtroom put deputies on alert.
Elijah Logan waves to his family.
Washington County, got me a letter, lady.
As he walks out of a Washington County courtroom. They leave, immediately followed by Samantha Ely and her family. Prosecutors say he shot her while she was holding their baby last May. The family wore shirts with a picture of Samantha's older brother, Jordan, who died that day. Logan was the first murder case in this courtroom Tuesday.
It creates a security concern, but fortunately we're able to have the personnel available in order to keep the courtroom secure, keep the inmates secure, as well as the gallery.
Next up, Kier Williams, charged with first-degree murder in the stabbing death of Father Stephen Gutzel. That was before church, Sunday, December 10th. Deputies reported finding Williams laying on top of Gutzel, forming a T shape when they arrived. Gutzel's brother and sister in court saying it's too emotional to speak about.
We have a great deal of compassion for all the victims' families involved in each of these incidents. We want to make sure that they understand that their cares and concerns are our cares and concerns.
Last, William Collins, charged with murdering Linda Childers with a crossbow. Defense attorneys for all 3 men asked prosecutors to file amended complaints, the judge ordering that and new arraignments. Washington County deputies say they can't remember cases this appalling in their career or having this many at one time.
Some of the facts in some of the in these cases may be unique in nature. At the same time, at the end of the day, we're still talking about the taking of a human life. And that's of our utmost concern, is to make sure that justice is done for the families.
Law enforcement who worked the cases were also in the courtroom. In Logan's case, the attorneys asked the judge to begin moving towards a trial date. Williams and Collins will be back in court on the 19th. Logan is back in court in April, and all 3 remain in custody. Back to you.
Thanks, Sarah.